Start Sender.Services. Select OnlyFans from the list of programs. Run the program. Go to Accounts, enter your username and password and press green button. Close window. Select Account. To automatically login, click Fill out the form. In the text entry area, writing a message for subscribers. Choose a photo or video to send. If you want to send multiple files, hold Ctrl and select the desired files. Choose the purpose of the mailing. Choose between collection and list. We can form a collection list using the subscriber ID. Choosing list. Lists are created by you on the site. We can send mailing to one list or select several at once by holding Ctrl. The program can also follow expired files. Just press the Start Subscription button. The first value shows the number of subscribed profiles verified, and the second number of subscribed funds.